Hey guys, and Mom. Not a ton going on at the farm lately. Just hot, sticky July, typically. But I thought I'd bring you around a little bit, show you. As you can tell, the rooster's still being disrupted. And deer flies, lovely deer flies, have made it back. We don't have any hornets to eat them this year, unfortunately. We had a giant nest last year, and they kept them in control. And then they all died off, and we don't have any more this year. So I thought I'd go around and maybe show you the baby chicks again, show you how they're growing, show you what we do with all of our overgrown clover patches that we've allowed to spring up, and just kind of put her around cleaning up the barn. Let's go. That is the giant hornet's nest that grew last year. The giant hole is from where it started to disintegrate from the rainy, wet weather over the winter and spring. And I kind of miss my friends that kept the yard free of nasty biting flies. So this is our overgrown patch of clover that we got from all the rain runoff out of the goat pen. And we clip this down periodically to give them some fresh grass, to try to stretch our hay a little bit. So I'll show you what I do. Not that it's incredibly riveting. Hey ladies. Joanna, don't be a pig. No? Alright. Now you go ahead and eat it, piggy. Good stuff. It's the tiniest little roly-poly caterpillar I think I've ever seen. Hey little fella. Run away, get big. My tripod broke. This is gonna make filming things hard. Good thing I just bought a brand new tube of Gorilla Glue with Andrew on the weekend. Working with an audience. You girls waiting for a snack? I'll be in a minute. This is what I managed to get. It's pretty packed full. And these are the circling sharks, ready for a snack. So get down. Here we go. I generally walk way into the back pen. Yes, loves. Trying not to get beat off my feet by the goats surging all around my legs. And then I will drop handfuls out here in some of the shaded spots. Yes, hello everyone. You want a snack? You want a snack? All right, let's go. And I might be able to work on cleaning up a little bit of their pen in a couple of minutes of peace and quiet. But it's unlikely since they finished it up long before I'm ready for them to. Here, eat in the shade. There you go. Bunny, are you being a hog? You don't see anything you want? Oh no. Oh, you snooze, you lose, honey. There you go. No, you don't want.